I believe it's time for our industry to grow up. It's time to build trust. It's time to get some quick experience. It's only going to accelerate. It's going to be harder and harder to build trust. So my challenge to the group is do something. Do something. Hopefully you've got a few ideas on the things that we're doing, some of the other folks in the industry are doing. Hopefully you've gotten a few ideas, but just think about it a little bit and do something. And challenge someone you know to do something around transparency. Share something. Put a picture on the wall. Do something, right? Just do something. A little bit goes a long way. And when you get energy behind this and you stick your toe in the water just a little bit, and you're just a little bit vulnerable, and that works, and you're like, okay, I didn't get shot, I'm not dead. Now you scoot forward a little bit farther and you put your toe a little bit deeper, right? And that didn't kill me either. I'm still in business, we're still growing. And then you go a little bit deeper, and that's what we've been doing for 3.5 years. And it's led us to open source new product development, sharing our audits, complete town hall transparency. Some things, it's gotten us bold because we started small. Make sense? So my big challenge to everyone is to do something.